Withdrawing money from Netflix after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Netflix website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account that is under review. Step 2. Check account status. Navigate to your account settings and check the status of your account. Look for any notifications or messages regarding the review process and ensure that your account is eligible for withdrawal. Step 3. Go to payment options. Once your account is confirmed, go to the payment options section. This is typically found in the account settings where you can manage your billing information. Step 4. Select withdrawal method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. After selecting your withdrawal method, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the process and keep an eye on your account for confirmation of the withdrawal. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can successfully withdraw money from your Netflix account after an account review. Make sure to keep your account information updated to avoid any issues in the future.